Hi everyone, we're going to do a little demo right now of our new celebration boards. They are a little bit bigger. These are 15 inches by almost 5 inches, and they're much thicker than the last ones. So these were a custom order I did just to give it a little bit more shape. I didn't really like the small 11-inch rectangles. I thought this was a little nicer, a little different. These ones come with 10 hearts and 40 circles and the hardware, and then they have a little rope to hang them. So we're gonna press these at 365 for 70 seconds and see how that works out. I've already got it all ready to go here, taped down, and just need my paper on top. Okay, here we go. The longest part of this product, the longest part of processing, is going to be peeling the sticker or the protective film off of all the little pieces. It took me about, I don't know, 5 minutes. I'm going to show you a trick on how to press those all at the same time without having to worry about taping them down. Makes it a lot simpler. And then the customers can just write on them with permanent marker right over top of your design. Oh, the whole thing came off the press. Interesting. Let's see what happened there. Okay. So put it back over. Pull all that off. Oh, that's so pretty. That is very pretty. That's how it turned out. I really like that. Something different. Wanted a little bit of color, so I'm probably going to be keeping this one. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is just show you how we press these little pieces. I just got to organize myself here. Okay, so I've got them all here face up on my paper. And I have a pattern that matches the board, and all I'm going to do is put that over the top. My blowout paper on top, and then for these ones we're just going to press it up for 45 seconds. Okay, that should be good. And there you go. They are all pressed. Except for this one that I think I missed the coating on. Actually, no. There. And then they match the board. Now, because they're MDF, they are still gonna warp a little bit, but it's because of the size of them. As they cool, they should straighten back out. So if you just put some weight on it, or you can even leave it on your press. Yeah. So you can see it does lift a little bit, but once it's cooled, it'll straighten. Anyways, that is it. I'm not going to hook it all together because it's going to take me forever. So yeah, I hope you like these, and we'll talk to you all soon.